OpenAI just launched something bigger than just another ChatGPT model. It launched ChatGPT Atlas. And it doesn't just show you the web, it acts on it. Atlas looks like a normal browser. There are tabs, bookmarks, history, but with ChatGPT at its core. You can chat with any page, ask ChatGPT to summarize a review, you can rewrite paragraph right inside Gmail, or you can compare products side by side. And then there's agent mode. ChatGPT can literally move your cursor, click buttons, fill forms, book flights, even create tasks for you. So well, that changes everything. Until now you browse the web, and with Atlas you delegate. And that means that your assistant suddenly has access to everything. Your email, your document, your bank account, your cloud storage. Very convenient, powerful, but also risky. Security researchers from Brave have just tested similar agentic browser, and they found serious vulnerabilities in these browsers, like a hidden text in a web page or even inside an image can secretly instruct the AI to perform actions that you never asked for. For example, in one demo, a simple Reddit comment hijacked the assistant, grabbed the user's login email and one-time password, and sent them back to the attacker. No exploit code, just language. So the fix here isn't simple. Browsers need to clearly separate your request from the page content that they are reading. Every AI action should be checked and confirmed before it touches private data. And agent mode, the one that can click for you, should stay isolated from everyday browsing. Atlas could redefine how we use the web. Would you trust a browser that can act on your behalf? I'll be testing it hands-on as soon as possible. Subscribe if you want to see what it is really capable of.